love since day one, for your prayer. Thank you so much. Our family and friends, thank you so much. From Canada, from US, friends from Australia, thank you so much, guys. We love you. And from Ninang sa Singapore, maraming salamat po. From Tacloban, fresh Tacloban. Thank you so much po. Once again, thank you so much po, Ninang and Ninong. Sobrang blessed po kami. Ang Lord po talagang nagpili sa inyo. So, pinagpala kami, hindi lang po ngayong gabi at ngayong araw ang ating relasyon. Patuloy niyo po kami samahan sa aming relasyon hanggang dulo. To all my family from Florida, Pampanga. Thank you so much, family. Santos family, Fajardo family, maraming salamat. And to my cousins, our cousins, thank you so much, guys. We are blessed naman. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa aming photoshoot. So, hindi lang po pala ako ang mahilig. Kaming lahat. So, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko na po iisa-isahin, pero lubos po kami nagpapasalamat. Family, Maglalang family. And Ninang from Australia again. Nag-attend na po siya ng first wedding. Nag-attend po ulit siya ng second wedding. And to our pastor, Pastor Marlon, thank you so much po. And to our Pastor Bong, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal. At papaunin po namin hanggang buhay kami yung inyong paalala sa salita po ng Panginoon. So, maraming salamat po din to our family. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. And to my friends, Sunlight, thank you so much for the effort. Sino pa ba? And to our supplier, hindi ko na po kayo isa-isa, maraming salamat po. Isa kayo sa naging instrument na nabuo ang aming big wedding. God bless you more na siksik at liglig at maabaw na pagpapala. Again po, Mundong family, thank you so much. Madrid family, Baking family.
Mga bigla.
Thank you for everyone for coming. I hope you enjoyed the night. We did this all for you guys, so you can celebrate this special day with us. So I hope you enjoyed it all and enjoy your night. Thank you.
Thank you. From Quezon City, from Manila, lahat na ng sulok ng mundo, maraming salamat po. God bless you all.
Alright, there you have it. Once again,